morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Rider Nada Moto Diaries. Today is day 26, and I would be exploring Bora Caves today and riding back to Vijayawada. Headed straight towards Bora Caves. Also, there was an initial plan to see Araku Valley, but due to less time, settled only for Bora Caves. It was some 60 km from here, and after 90 minutes ride, going through some good hill roads, reached Bora Caves. I removed all my riding gears and kept it inside the top box of the bike. I had my tank bag with me, but bags are not allowed inside. But we have a clock room near the entrance where we can keep our bags. Got the tickets and went in. We have to walk some 200 to 300 meters to reach the cave. Once at the entrance, I was stunned to see the size of the cave, as I have never seen such a huge cave before. Wonder how did one who built this ever did this. Slowly I entered inside the cave. It was a massive structure, and the main attraction was the lighting done inside the cave. It was mind-blowing piece of work. I really have no words to describe the lighting work carried out. One needed to visit it to see its beauty. Now it was time to ride back to Vijayawada through the same route by which I came here. While riding, I skipped my lunch, so by evening was searching for some place for some snacks. Couldn't find a proper place. Finally stopped my bike near a shop. It had only wafer packets, biscuits and cool drinks. So initially brought a cool drink and wafer and a biscuit packet. After having this, I was still hungry as I had skipped my lunch. Went again to purchase the same thing. The lady at the shop looked at me and asked, "Seems you didn't had your lunch." I smiled and said, "You guessed right." One of the apple juice I drank had a manufacturing address of the same place in Mumbai where I belong to. I wondered, I have never seen this drink there. Now I was satisfied as my stomach was full. I came close to Vijayawada and halted at a place for 5 minutes break. After some time I saw three guys on a bike halted few meters away from me. I was ready with the key. As the moment they approach me, I will start my bike and leave as the stretch was deserted. But those guys left before me. There was no problem. But one need to be careful when traveling alone. Sooner I reached Kondalrao house. He again kept water and everything ready for refreshing. The dinner was also ready. My 2 days of stay at his home literally made me to feel that I was at my own home. Thank you for watching my vlog. Meet you in the next vlog the next day. Till then, it's a bye bye from Rider Nadar. Let's ride.